Are you trying to figure out how to change YouTube live orientation on mobile? Well, today's Business Owner Q&A is from the Fearless Business Owners Facebook group, and that's what Latoska Asbury wants to know. I'm Elise Michelle Nelson. I'm a YouTube strategist and lead generator, which means that I help you use video to create visibility and generate leads for your business. Today, we're answering the question, how can I change YouTube live orientation on mobile? The very first thing is you're going to go into YouTube, which is actually where I'm at now. So if you just go to your YouTube app, this is what it looks like. And here on the right-hand side, you can see this little icon, the bottom one here. If I touch that, it goes to vertical orientation. If I touch it again, it goes to horizontal orientation. So you choose before you go live if you want it to be horizontal or vertical. And if you don't make that choice before you start the live, you cannot change it later. So click this little button. Choose if you're going to be vertical or horizontal, then click next. You're going to answer the question about if it's made for kids. I recommend you say it's not made for kids. Then it says it's set to go and you can click on go live. And if your orientation that you have your camera does not match how you answered that question, you'll see what happens. Rotate device or change the stream's orientation. Once you rotate your device, then it'll go live. See? Now, if when you do it, you have the correct orientation, when you start, it won't show you that screen. Join us in the Fearless Business Owners Facebook group so that you too can ask your questions and get help using video and YouTube for your business. So here you can see I've got it set to vertical orientation. So if I go ahead and click next, no, it's not made for kids, and I click go live, you see it just, and that's how you do it. If you want to choose to go live on your mobile phone, horizontally, you just have to click that button before you get started. If you want it to be vertical, same thing. So make sure you always check that before you go live, and that's going to help you choose your orientation before you even start. Hope that helps. Thanks, Latoska, for the great question. I'm so glad we get to live our dreams together every single day. I hope to see you next time.